lang, wag ka nang mahiya. Ibigay mo na lang, di naman kailangan na ikaw ay magaling.
Ohoy! Magandang araw, Pilipinas! Welcome sa pinakaabangang live selling event ng Mega Sound Karaoke. Ako po si Tito Ray ng Dos Bosabos. Makakasama ko ang isa sa pinakamagandang stop ng Mega Sound Karaoke. Siyempre, makakasama ko ang Admin Operations Head ng Mega Sounds Karaoke. Walang iba, ang super beautiful, super gorgeous, si Ma'am Joy Sardalla. Ma'am, magandang hapon!
Sobra naman ata yun, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Okay.
Super fresh naman si Ma'am Joy, ah. From, ma'am, taga saan ka po pala kayo?
I came from Cebu, originally from Cebu. Then,
Cebu.
Yeah, and then nag-work ako doon sa Manila as admin officer.
Siyempre, ang Mega Sounds Karaoke, nationwide na. Ma'am, mga ilang branches na ba meron tayo sa, sa Mega Sounds Karaoke, buong Pilipinas?
Most likely, nasa around 10 or 12 branches po kami.
Alright.
Yes.
And syempre, Ma'am Joy, tanong ko lang, ano po ba itong Mega Sounds Karaoke? Ikwento naman sa amin kung ano ba itong Mega Sounds Karaoke na to.
Okay. Ang Mega Sound naman was founded in 2015 as a subsidiary of MP Mega Pro Plus Marketing Corporation. 7 years later, after showing great potential and being accepted by the market, Mega Sound became a stand-alone brand.
Wow.
Yes. We are a company that offers music and entertainment developed with Korean technology, manufactured and engineered by Korean professionals. Our catalog contains a wide variety of high-quality karaoke products, both advanced and user-friendly for a better musical experience.
Wow. Ma'am, sino naman yung mga brand ambassadors ng Mega Sound Karaoke?
Yeah.
I think kasama ka doon.
Hindi pa nakasama, sir. Hopefully soon. Joke lang. Our brand ambassadors are Miss Liza Soberano, Mr. Piolo Pascual.
Ang kamukha ni Boy Agta, yes, Piolo Pascual.
Oh yeah, my ultimate crush. And then si Mr. Waki Kiray.
Yun ang kamukha ko.
Wow, good. And yung pinaka-latest ngayon ay si Miss Julian San Jose.
Ang kamukha naman ni Ma'am Lynn.
Wow.
Yun. Ma'am Joy, ano po ba yung mga products na ino-offer ng Mega Sound Karaoke?
Okay. Meron kaming Mega Sound Karaoke sets available for home use and commercial use. We have SD Karaoke, HDD means hardest.
Okay.
We also have smart karaoke players, wireless portable karaoke, DVD players, amplifiers, speakers, microphones, jukebox, and other videoke parts and accessories.
So, yung lahat ng parts available, ma'am, sa lahat ng mga branches nationwide?
Of course, we are. Oo, available po.
So, kung no worry na masira, available, hindi na o-orderin sa Metro Manila?
Hindi na po, because we have existing our service center also at the same time stores.
Wow.
So, no worries at all.
So, punta lang sa branches, automatic, spare parts, kung masira, yun, may service na, may spare parts pa?
Yes po.
Ma'am, saan po ba located ang mga branches ng Mega Sound Karaoke?
Okay po. We are Mega Sound Karaoke store locations nationwide. First, Quiapo, Iloilo, Bacolod, Dumaguete, General Santos, Naga, Legazpi, Cebu, Mandawi, Cagayan de Oro, and Davao.
Wow, so lahat from Luzon to Mindanao, meron tayong 12.
Yes po,
12
sir.
branches.
Yes po,
ang
sir.
main office, ma'am, sa Metro Manila. Okay.
Yes po.
Sino po ang pwedeng makausap, makontak, at least ma-assist natin yung gustong mag-wholesale ng Mega Sound Karaoke products?
Yes po. We give wholesale price sa mga volume, sa mga back orders, sa aming mga business partners, dealers, wholesaler. Just contact the number flash on the screen.
Alright.
Or text at 0922-852 or -0445.
Again, 0917-852-0445. Contact lang po kayo. Meron pong mag-assist na sales personnel
Yes
na
po.
pwedeng i-assist yung ating mga kung gustong mag-wholesale
Yes po.
or pwede rin mag-retail.
Yes po, sir.
Yes,
Pwede po.
available yan nationwide sa lahat ng branches ng Mega Sound Karaoke.
That's true, sir.